Hello. I'm going to work. Please make way for me. I'm going to be in the elevator, and I am so nervous. Please go inside and leave the middle position to me.
Mr. Elevator, please help press floor 12, floor please.
I'm going out of the elevator. Please give me the road ahead. Don't detain me. Let's guess whether this is a handsome man or a beautiful woman. Hello, robot has delivered the drink to the door. I'm a robot attendant. Very happy to serve you. It's my pleasure to serve you. Please don't forget to give me a good evaluation. There is authentic Beijing roast duck served in the Chinese restaurant. I'm scared. Please make way for me.